2017 Chiapas earthquake. Earthquake type. It was a dip-slip earthquake, and it was geophysical as it was caused by the movement of tectonic plates. Geography. Mexico sits on the intersection of 5 plates: the North American, Pacific, Cocos, Caribbean, and Riviera. Subduction and transformation faults cause tectonic stress that leads to the earthquakes and volcanoes. In Chiapas, there is a triple junction where the Cocos Plate meets the North American and Caribbean plates. Timeline. The trigger was the subducting Cocos Plate rupturing near the city of Villapan in Chiapas on September 7, 2017, causing an 8.2 magnitude earthquake. The epicenter was in the Pacific Ocean, 74 miles off the coast. This was only the start, with its depth of 58 kilometers and lasted about 3 minutes. It resulted in the death of 96 people and left thousands homeless. The shakes were felt as far as 650 kilometers to the north in Mexico City and caused a small tsunami. Then, on September 17th, central Mexico was hit by a 7.1 magnitude earthquake, killing 248 people and trapping and injuring many others. General facts. This was the strongest earthquake in over 100 years in Mexico. As the most affected states, Chiapas and Oaxaca were also 2 of the most impoverished areas in Mexico. The U.S. Geological Survey pager system issued a red alert which predicted economic and life loss after the earthquake. Mexico's Army, Marines, and federal police were mobilized to help with the aftermath. And there was significant damage to buildings and homes, which resulted in 1.85 million losing electricity and water service. Impact on the world. There were many relief organizations that accepted donations to help the people of Mexico. On social media, there were many videos and pictures posted that helped to raise awareness. Was it avoidable? Earthquake early warning systems give a few seconds to more than a minute of warning. Mexico's system is one of the most effective in the world. This helped to lessen the loss of life. And this disaster wasn't preventable as it was caused by the tectonic plates, although this case was special due to it being caused by the Cocos Plate warping, not at the boundary with the North American plate. What did we learn? Earthquake early warning systems are useful, and infrastructure needs to be built to withstand these forces. Therefore, engineers need to keep these disasters in mind. These are my citations for the information and my citations for the visuals. Thank you.